when you see engine power reduced on your Chevy Malibu's dashboard, it feels like a punch to the gut. It's an alert indicating the car's computer has detected an issue that requires immediate attention. This situation isn't just a small inconvenience. It's a warning that your vehicle's performance will be impacted, often reducing efficiency or speed by up to 40%. If you've experienced this issue on a rainy day in Portland, it's like adding another layer to a gloomy day. What's triggering this message? One of the common culprits is a malfunctioning throttle position sensor or even a faulty fuel injector. The throttle body's ability to manage airflow into the engine is impaired. Imagine trying to breathe through a straw. It's frustrating and limits your power. This is precisely how your engine feels when these components are not functioning correctly. The pain of driving a car in reduced power mode is exacerbated when trying to climb hills or merge onto highways. And now you press the pedal, hoping for acceleration, yet the response is sluggish, almost like trying to run in a nightmare where you move slowly. When this happens, professional inspection is crucial to prevent further damage. Let's break down what you should do step by step if you see this warning. First, reduce your speed and avoid any hard acceleration. Drive to a safe area or home if close by. Pulling into a mechanic shop would be even better. Ignoring this alert can lead to bigger, more expensive repairs in the future. Next, turn off the vehicle and inspect any visible connections. Pro tip, sometimes loose or corroded connections can be a quick fix. Disconnect and reconnect the battery to reset the vehicle's computer. Use this method with caution. It's a temporary measure and not a solution. Now comes the diagnostic part. Use an OBD-II scanner to read the error codes. A tool like this provides insight into the precise nature of the issue. It's like a doctor running tests. You want those results to properly treat the problem. The scanner costs around $50, saving you from unnecessary repair shop trips. With the scanner, get a printed or digital copy of the error codes. Look for codes related to the throttle body, oxygen sensors, or fuel system. Compile a list of these codes and research or consult a professional. This information will be your guide. Reach out to your local Chevrolet dealer or a trusted mechanic. Provide them with the codes and your observations. Engaging with a professional who can interpret these codes will save time and pinpoint the actual issue. A common trap is guessing and swapping parts randomly. Avoid this pitfall. In some cases, merely cleaning the throttle body or replacing the sensor resolves the problem. These are manageable fixes that typically cost $100 to $200. Investing in these repairs restores engine performance and silences the warning. It's like a breath of relief that unleashes power back into your drive. Be mindful of the underlying causes, like wiring problems or sensor failures. Continued issues could require an electrical system inspection. It's like peeling back layers of an onion. You might need to go deeper to find the root cause. And don't get discouraged. It's part of maintaining a complex machine. Remember, owning a Chevy Malibu means enjoying reliability, but keeping every component in top shape is essential. Maintenance isn't mere routine. It's the lifeline, keeping that engine running smoothly. An example from my own experience, cruising around Portland's scenic beauty, without interruptions is pure joy. And at the end of the day, any alert on your Chevy Malibu deserves attention. Addressing engine power reduced promptly ensures your vehicle runs efficiently. It's not only safer, but the assurance of power at your pedal makes each drive feel limitless, like cruising open roads without constraints.